Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today I want to try something new. I'm going to fix up my REDCAT Gen8 here. Mission and transfer case gears are worn out. I'm going to replace them today with these steel gears. These are just straight replacement parts. There's a part number right there. So the gears. Take out the existing stock ones, put in some steel ones, and hopefully we'll see some improvements. Well, let me just get this bad boy open. All right, let's open her up. There we go. Take it apart. You can kind of see there. It's a little hard to see. Those are little razor blades. They should not look like that. So we're going to replace those. So take this guy out, pull up the pin. I did clean these last night and they're still very dirty, so I will continue to wipe them down. Here, I'll give you a closer look at this one again. You see that there? Look how sharp those are. There's like nothing left on that thing. It was still running with that, just very loud and very sloppy. So let's go to the side. Try not to lose any parts here. I do have bearings coming, but for now, I'm going to use what's in here. There's one in here that's a little rusted. I'm hoping that it lasts. You can kind of see there. It ain't looking too hot, but it still kind of moves. It's not completely seized. Again, I'm hoping that I don't regret putting this together with that in there, but I do want to get this truck up and running, so I don't really want to wait. And the delivery for those bearings is like saying July now. Is it actually going to take until July for those to arrive? I don't know. I'm hoping not, but if it does, I'd rather have my truck running. And that can just stay there. I actually don't need this thing to fully come out. And you can see on this one too, same thing. Those are little razor blades. We'll cut this guy open. Get into these replacement parts. One last comparison here. See the difference between these two. Here you go. New and old. All right. Drop this guy out. That way, that goes in, that slides in there. Perfect. Let's see, is this pin the right pin? It looks like it should fit. Or is this the pin? That's the pin. That looks like the smaller pin. We'll go with that pin. Or was it? It goes in the hole. Just like that. And you just kind of, there we go. See, it kind of fits in like that. That guy's in there. Now, this guy, there's just a pin there. He slides in. Just like that. Right there, like that. Smooth, like butter. Let's get some grease. Grease her up. This is just marine grease. I put marine grease in this because it's taking in the water a lot. And then we'll give it a little spin around. Get that grease moving around through there. Tad bit more. Good, good, good. Put that back. I believe this is the top one. I believe. Okay, just gonna slide in. Grab a pin. Put the pin in. Slide in. And that pin is too big. Why is that pin too big? Why is that pin too big? Come on. No way. It's never easy, is it, right? Pin not fit, but it fits in the old gear. No, it doesn't fit in that gear either. Well, good thing I didn't screw it back in. I mean, I got one long pin. I know I have a long pin, but the rest are the same size. So what's going on here? Yeah, like that just fits. Okay. If you just fit, you must fit in this one. Must. I said I must. All right, you know what we're gonna do? Shave it down. What I'm gonna do is just clamp this. Ow. It's closer. Not there yet. A little bit. All right, come on. Not really. Not making any difference. Well, here we are. Filing a pin. Is there a better way to do this? Probably. He doesn't want to go all the way. See that? Like, it just does not want to go all the way in. Going at it. A little bit more. I think that'll be the key. More. Oh, that is so close, man. Is that enough to put it in? Probably never get it out, but let's just see. It is in there. Is it ever coming out? I don't know. Let's put this pin in. See? So much easier. Why was that so much easier? There we go. Let's put some grease in there. I feel like it's kind of par for the course. Every time you do a project like this, you always come in with a plan being like, oh, it's just going to be a straightforward little task. Deep down, you know, it's never straightforward. Big glob of marine grease. I think it's enough grease. Not overdoing it. Let's put these back together. And let's start putting them together. Did I grab a small screw there? You know what? This is me second guessing myself. Like, that's the same size, right? Yeah, those are the same size. Let's double check. Same size? Yeah, same size. Okay. Feel snug. Nothing more than that. That doesn't sound great, but that's just the grease. Hold on a second. We're gonna take this apart and we're gonna check it one time. I don't like the way it's sounding, and I don't know what's up with it. Okay, let's pull this apart. What is that noise? Oh, that doesn't look good at all. Okay. Let's clean this out. That doesn't look good. What is going on? Okay. Well, you know what? Guess we're not putting this together. That is my bearing. You know why I said that bearing wasn't looking too hot? That's because it blew up. There is no bearing left. This will have to be continued until I can get that fixed. I don't have the bearings, like I said. They're supposedly they arrived in Canada. I'm hoping they arrive soon. You can do it. Oh, don't make me destroy this thing around it. Oh, it is. It's coming out. It's hard to tell. It is definitely coming out. I just need to take my time here. I don't want to rush this too much. There we go. It's free. It's free. I removed it. There. I turned the light on. I don't know if that's better to see it. Damn, was that nasty in there. It is no longer a bearing. It is pieces of a bearing. We will see. Anyways, it's probably better to just wait and replace all the bearings at the same time. I don't have a choice. I have to wait. The next day, I got the bearings. We are ready to continue. I need to figure out what bearings are which, but we'll get to that. Just need to open it up, pull out the old ones, match them up for the new ones. The last thing I want is like a little piece of metal, like here. Do you see any metal chunks? I don't see anything, but again, better to be safe than sorry. So we're just gonna brush. Whoop, sorry, shook the camera. Settle down there, settle down. There we go, just brush this. But it's fine. New bearings. REDCAT Gen8. That's the idea. Zero that out. 12. I think those are good. Okay. These, taking these ones. Yeah. Okay. I think we're good. Okay. Let's continue on. I promise the shaking will stop shortly. I need like needle nose pliers. I have them around here somewhere. And then I have that like tiny pinion. Well, thankfully, I think that's the last of the grease we have to deal with for now. One little screw at a time. Okay. All right. Oh, let's put a little Loctite because that's metal to metal. I'm just gonna do a little blob there. Oh, they're over here. Found them. They didn't fall into some drawer. They were literally on my bench. Dab, 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 dab. I don't really want them to be too stuck in there, though. And that's a nightmare, trying to get those out when they are really stuck. Oh, sorry, hunt them down. I don't want to have to drill it out. If it falls out, I have spares. I can replace one of these. When I spin this. Yep. These sound like gears. Okay, some room. I think it's just they're all the same, I think. I hope they're all the same. That better? Am I talking to myself? Yes. Am I talking to you? Also yes. Double check these. I could do another little spin. Oh, my phone. Okay, well, the rest of this is gonna be kind of boring anyways. I'm gonna put it back together. I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, I don't have everything back together just yet, but I have left a few screws out, but I just want to test quickly. Oh, let's go my remote. Before I do that. Oh, shaking the camera. Hitting power. Let's see. I think it's fine. All right, let me put everything back together and then we'll take a run. Okay, we're basically back and running. Let's get this body on. All right, take it for a run.